Alrighty. Hello, everyone. My name is Vanessa Mata, and I would like to welcome you to Fresno State's Hub of Digital Transformation and Innovation Day of Giving 2020 virtual event. Thank you for attending and making time in your already busy schedule and showing your support to our student innovators. The Hub of Digital Transformation and Innovation, or DXI, strives to inspire students. Strives to inspire students to apply their education toward developing innovative solutions to real-world problems using the best and latest technologies to ensure that Fresno State and community partners throughout the Central Valley can perform at the highest level. Next, I would like to introduce our VP of IT and CIO of Technology Services, Orlando Leon.
Thank you very much, Vanessa. And we know that we are here to try to help students in all types of situations. Those with kids running in the background, we know exactly how that feels too. So no need to be worried about that. Well, good morning, everybody. My name is Orlando Leon. I get to serve as Fresno State's Vice President for Information Technology and CIO. And really what that means is I try to look out at how technology can help our campus in any way possible. And of course, that's how we do our day-to-day business, but it's also really how we can prepare our students as they spend their time here and as they go on and graduate where they're looking for jobs where technology is literally everywhere right now. The expectation is really high. So what better than to give our that chance and that opportunity right now while they're here as students to innovate through the use of fun and exciting technologies. We have all these letters for them, AI, AR, XR, and all these other great technologies. But what it really means is that they get to put into practice the things that they learn in the classroom setting, work in a group setting, and do this together and have fun while doing it. So I'm really proud of our students and all that they've done over the past year and beyond. And it's really exciting. That video you saw was just a really small glimpse of all the great things that they've been working on together. So thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you enjoy the rest of this session with us. And also thank you very much for your participation and everything that you do to support Fresno State and our Day of Giving today. Thank you very much.
Okay, hi everyone. I just wanted to say hello, and I'm Jose Renteria, and I actually will be your MC for today. Next, I'm going to invite our invitation intern leads, Sif, our lead innovation intern developer, John, our lead robotics intern, Andrew, our lead developer intern, and Gerline, our lead intern for DX/Smart Campus Initiative. They will share with you who they are and what they are working on. So we'll go ahead and pass it over. Let me go ahead and share, sorry. Okay, let me just make sure everybody can see
Hi, my name is John, and I lead the robotics developments here at the DX Hub. I started off on a high school FRC robotics team called Buchanan Bird Brains, where being on that team, I realized that I had found my calling to pursue a degree and career in the field of computer engineering. Working here with DX has provided me the skill sets that are necessary for my future career in computer engineering beyond my education. It has allowed me to improve my communication and engineering methodologies while also teaching me how to manage a team and operate in a business environment. It has been an exciting experience. I believe that the DX Hub is perfect for anyone wanting to pursue a career closely tied with technology. The DX Hub is focused on ensuring that student interns get what they need out of working there. They provide the interns the tools that allow them to build themselves up. I hope that in the future, from my experiences here at DX, I will get the opportunity to design graphical processing units.
Yeah, so hi, I'm John. As mentioned in the video, I lead the robotics team here at DX. I kind of wanted to talk about some of the projects I'm currently working on. The robotics team is working on a project right now called the Bulldog Bot. It's really exciting. It's necessary for us to use robotics and automation to spread student wellness throughout Fresno State. And this robot kind of interacts with students and is able to go up to them, interact, answer any questions that they may have, assist students with special needs. So anyone, maybe let's say they're using his sign language and they need to be able to communicate with people, this robot will be able to use computer vision to process that and be able to interact with the student and help them with anything that they may need help with and answer any questions they may have. It's fully autonomous and it's able to just go around campus and assist students with anything that they may need help with. A more recent project we've been working on is the Bulldog Wellness Bot, which is inspired, or not inspired, but more of a recent initiative to help tackle the current pandemic that we're in. It is designed to go around and disinfect surfaces in various environments, learning and work environments, to create a safer environment for people to be able to engage in, and so that way we don't have to be doing these Zoom calls from home all the time for that much longer. So that way people can go back and see each other again and allow this new normal to just go back to the old normal we were used to, where we all got to be together. And it accomplishes that using various disinfecting methods like UV light and computer vision, natural language processing to help determine when it's safe for it to operate. So we've been doing various exciting projects such as the Bulldog Bot and the Wellness Bot. And thank you for listening.
Okay, so now that was John, and thank you, John, for that. We're gonna move on to Gurleen, and we're gonna go show you a small clip as well. So let me go ahead and share my screen real quick. I hope everybody can see that.
Hi, my name is Gurleen Kaur. I'm a junior at Fresno State. I am currently studying computer science. I'm a lead intern at the Hub of DX. I've been working here for almost 1.5 years now. It has been a very unique and learning environmental experience working at the DX. I've learned and developed many new technical and software skills, as well as my leadership skills. These have helped me relate to professional real-life experiences. Working here, we get the opportunities of working with many new technologies like Raspberry Pi, Jetson Nano. We also work with Amazon Web Services and cloud development. One of my biggest accomplishments here at the DX is a project that I worked on, the Bulldog check-in system. It is an edge computing device which works offline as well. It is a faster check-in and check-out system that we built using computer vision. It only requires one touch and it recognizes your face and checks you in. Working on projects like these also requires teamwork and collaboration. Working in teams has helped me have better social skills and better group work ethics. I enjoy working here because we work together and we learn from each other. I learn new things every day that we usually don't learn in classrooms, and I get to put that knowledge into real-life projects. This has helped me accomplish learning many new techniques and concepts that I can use in my daily life, in my future, and in my career. Being a part of this team has helped me realize that I am in the right path of my future in order to become a software developer. Hi everyone, my name is Gurleen. I lead the Smart Campus team at the DX, and I'm working with 3 more interns in the team. One of the current projects that my team is developing is the Bulldog AI chatbot. It is an Amazon Web Service chatbot which uses Amazon Lex along with a bunch of other Amazon Web Service features. The user can ask the chatbot question and quickly get answers. The chatbot can also ask the user questions and process the answers provided by the users. The chatbot also uses Amazon Elasticsearch service. When the user asks a question, Elasticsearch is used behind the scene to find the best match for the question. The chatbot can be integrated with Alexa, which allows you to offer a voice interface to your users using Amazon Echo or Alexa. You can quickly pull out your phone or your Amazon Echo device and say,
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
sorry. You can quickly pull up your phone and ask your Amazon Echo device or say, hey Alexa, and ask the question and gives you the answer in real time. We also integrated the chatbot with Twilio, which is a powerful API for phone services. Students prefer using their phones and text messages to get answers to their question, and using Twilio, they are now capable of doing that. Chatbot can help the user save their time of waiting in lines or trying to find the answers online from websites, and this can help them get their answers in a couple of seconds. It is also very beneficial to the clients because it saves them time of repeating the same answers multiple times. It is available to the users 24/7 and also has a feature to offer live support. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Gerline. That was awesome. And I see that you have Amazon right there, or the chatbot right there or something. So next I'm gonna go to Andrew, and we're gonna go ahead and share a clip also. And we'll go ahead and just make this bigger.
Hi, my name is Andrew. I've been working with DX since the spring of 2020 as a software developer intern. For most of my time here, I've been the lead intern on our immersive reality project that focuses on creating virtual reality experiences for students and faculty as we navigate the current global pandemic and quarantine. My experience working with DX has been great. I've been able to improve my technical skills, interpersonal skills, public speaking, and so much more. From setting up meetings with my team members, performing demos for potential partners, and researching development tasks, there's never been a boring day on this job. I especially like the project-based approach that DX has. Having this mindset has really made me more invested in the success of our solutions and gave me a higher sense of camaraderie with the students and staff that I work with. I'm still undecided on where I will work after graduating at Fresno State, but I plan on taking what I've learned here at DX and applying it wherever I end up working at. I really believe that the work ethic and fast-paced environment I picked up here will definitely carry on with me and help me a lot in my future career.
Hey, hello everyone. So I'm Andrew, and I'll be talking about the Hubs project that I've been working on. So Hubs is a virtual reality platform, collaboration platform that uses mixed reality technology. It's highly immersive, dynamic, and an exciting new way to be productive in the virtual setting. Also, it's accessible right from your browser, so no VR headset is required. That means really anyone can join in. The first major value that we believe Hubs provides is a highly collaborative environment. We call it Zoom on steroids because of how useful it is and how many tools and features it has. Tools like the screen share, the ability to import rich media like videos, images, PDFs, slideshows, anything really. You can import those into the room. The ability to annotate on any surface with the pen tool. These features all make Hubs an awesome platform for things like study groups, peer reviews, group projects, and so much more. The possibilities are really endless. The next major benefit that we see from Hubs is the improved social experience. So now everyone knows that nothing really beats a good face-to-face conversation, but whenever that sort of interaction just isn't possible, Hubs really is the next best thing. Hubs at its core is a social platform, even down to the smallest details, like the spatial audio that it has that mimics real-world sound drop-off at a distance. Socializing in virtual reality is an incredible experience, and we believe that it will become the new norm in years to come. Finally, we have exploration in Hubs. One of the coolest parts about virtual reality is that when working in the digital world, your capabilities are limitless. you can explore the whole world around you in high quality immersive virtual reality without even leaving your home. We currently have various buildings, classrooms, and research labs that we've transformed from real places in Fresno State into virtual reality settings. And we're super proud of everything that we've done. And it's been a really cool project. Thanks everyone for listening, and that's all I've got.
Thank you so much, Andrew. That sounds awesome. We're actually gonna moving on to Sif. So we'll go ahead and play his clip as well. And let me just go ahead and share that and make it a little bit bigger so everyone can see, and go ahead and play it.
I am Sif. I started working for DX a few years ago. We have worked with robotics, blockchain, cloud computing, chatbots, and several AI and machine learning projects. Not only we get to work with real-world projects, but it also prepares us for real-world situations, which, as a student, is hard to obtain from college assignments. Working with a mentor who has a wealth of technical knowledge helps us set a pathway to a better career after graduation. My future goal is to become a software engineer in a renowned industry here at Silicon Valley after graduation.
Hello everyone, I am Sif. I am the innovation intern at DX Hub. Thank you again for joining us. And currently I am working on a Dash project which is in collaboration with the agricultural department at Fresno State. And we are working on this project with 3 other developers. Dash is a platform designed for connecting agricultural challenges to current Fresno State expertise. Clients from the agricultural sector can submit any challenges into the Dash platform just by visiting dash.dx.fresnostate.edu. Once submitted, business managers can view, comment, and process these inquiries to establish a project with help from the AI-assisted algorithms. Dash's AI streamlines the business process by matching these challenges into relevant experts and students at Fresno State based on clients' needs and experts' skill sets. Thank you again. Any support that you can provide us will really make a difference here. I will hand it over to Jose now.
Thank you, Sif. I just wanted to tell everyone thank you for attending and supporting such brilliant interns, fostering a campus culture of innovation to inspire our student innovators to be tomorrow's leaders, actually not just leaders, but bold leaders with emerging technology opportunities. Now I will hand it over to Max to answer our Q&A.
Thank you, Jose, and thank you, everyone. Yeah, it has been an honor and pleasure working with this group of talent students, and most of the time I call them kids, and they are about the age of my children at the same time. And as a Fresno State product, as I often mention to them, is I was at Fresno State since 1993. It has been 27 years. And I got my degree, I mean, both undergraduate and master degree at computer science. And often I would really appreciate the opportunity to give our student a way to extend what they learn to real world situation. We are not one of the Ivy League, but after working with this student, they are just as smart, as intelligent, and as competitive to everyone in the country. And they are given the opportunity and they took it up and running. And just want to give you a little bit background before we open up Q&A. I know you have a lot of questions, and hopefully this is the time for the conversation for you to learn more about what we do here. We started a hub of digital transformation with the sponsor of CIO and 2.5 years ago. and we had one student assistant. We only had the funding for one student assistant, and we started with a smart campus project. Over 30 months, we have been hosted and sponsored more than 80 internship positions, both research-based and project-based. And as you are able to see from the screen, it has been an exciting journey. I mean, another story I've been telling people anytime I'm talking about our work is like, I have the easiest job. I never really need to do anything. I mean, they just take everything up, like the hub, the mixed reality. I mean, Andrew could be the one who has most experience right now. And talking about AI chatbot, Gurleen is the one who knows how to talk to computer the way people would understand. And John, you're gonna soon see the robot. Hopefully, you probably already seen it during last year, the homecoming event. You seen the robot on campus and just greet trivial questions. And Steve, he is graduating this fall, and he is amazing. Right, he does everything like before I even ask, and that's how lucky or how fortunate I am with working with this group. And two persons I want to mention, Jose and Vanessa. I mean, we are totally a cross-disciplinary team. And Jose is a major in graphic design, multimedia, communication, whatever you can name it. He is not one of the technical background person. And Vanessa, she take care of the program development. She reached out to our business partners. She is a business major. And we have a lot, 1/3 of our team is actually not engineer or like, technology oriented majors. So this is a teamwork, and this is a group of people. We work on challenges, and we try to toward to a student success, and hoping to build up a culture of innovation, just like they mentioned earlier. Before I move forward, I do want to mention, I look at the participant. We have someone called iPad. And as you know, we're gonna have a draw for free t-shirts, those nice, cool t-shirts designed by Jose and Jonathan. So we probably need some real name. So if you want to leave your name or change your name, please do it right now. So we're gonna have the drawing after the event, and you don't have to donate to win a t-shirt. I mean, we really like you being here and listen to our intern sharing their great work. So I'm gonna open up for Q&A if you have any questions, and you can put in the chat, or you can just ask, and Jonathan will help us facilitating.
Max, there is one question in the chat. It reads, how much money is required for the robot and the wellness robots?
Depends on who is asking. I'll let John answer this question. How much money?
Let's just say it's enough that we would really appreciate the funding to help get the project going further.
Yeah. So right now this is always good opportunity to share our approach, right? Because like we are not going to get all the money, and we do have an MIT CIO. I mean, he is very encouraging us to be bold, but we don't have the funding like MIT has. So our strategy is we divide it to 3 phases. The first, we kind of doing the ideation challenges. So we don't start developing a robot by developing a robot. We are actually looking at what problem need to be solved. So our robot is not going to be super duper and walking on the street, like not deliver lunch like Berkeley does. Actually, Berkeley has a lunch bot. I mean, they just deliver lunch over campus. But we think about challenge first. In this case, our team decided, with COVID-19, right? Wouldn't it be nice to have a robot just running around the campus and just spreading Lysol? Oops, I probably shouldn't mention brand name. So like disinfecting the campus at night. And we are using computer vision, right, to detect people around. And we are using UV light. UV light is more powerful. And while you are really not able to buy Lysols in the market right now. And so that's the problem we started. So we didn't start it, and we would need more funding as much as we could to expand the future. But right now, we are hoping to raise just for this project about like $20,000. That's what we are hoping to raise. And we have been reaching out with the partnership from Amazon Web Services. I do want to honor their support. They are giving us the technology and they're actually giving us the sponsorship for it. And just another reminder, don't forget to visit our webpage at, we create a show link on the screen. And yes, I'm looking at you, Brett Barker. You are one of our strong supporters. And thank you very much for being here. And Harry as well. Harry, when he first came to on the campus, he said, Max, I like what you have done. And I said, what do you know what I've done? He said, I don't know, but you have the cool title, Innovation Architect. You must be doing good stuff. So thank you, Harry. I mean, Brett, I mean, you are two of wonderful sponsors, has been helping us going this far as well.
Great job, everybody. Nice presentation.
Very cool. I like seeing what all the students are doing. Very nice.
I'll encourage us here that as we look across the higher ed space, across the country, we get to present a lot through conferences, and we've actually had some of our students present with us at Amazon events, at national conferences, and it's great to see what our students are doing. It's pretty special, actually. Some of the other great schools that might do this type of work, Arizona State, and Max mentioned some of the big name schools, but we're probably one of the very few in kind of a state institution setting that's able to have our students do this kind of really neat work. So we're really proud of our students, and we're really proud that we can have this opportunity. And now during this really crazy, unique time that's affected through the pandemic, this is probably the best time to innovate through technology. And so we do hope that we can continue to do this and support our students through these types of opportunities.
Okay, everybody, we have about 3 minutes left. So if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. If not, you could unmute yourself and ask, and then I'm sure Max will have a answer for you.
I just want to ask all the students, how do you envision that this experience will help you in the future as you go and you seek employment and seek to be involved in your community? How do you think the experiences that you have achieved here will help you?
I think, well, I could speak on my behalf at least. For me, it's helped me in the way where I didn't even know there was things I was supposed to know. And being in this career field and this in DX, they actually shown me what to actually look for in a job career. Because I constantly, I'm looking on LinkedIn, and I look for say Google and stuff like that. I look at employment for there because that's my goal, right? But even though I get an education, it doesn't actually show me what I need to do to get that job. And it's awesome because there's a lot of things that I didn't even know I was supposed to look into. And thanks to Jonathan and Max, they just were pushing and they showed me what I need to achieve. And I had no idea. So I think that's awesome, honestly. And I know that's going to help me because I actually had talked to somebody over at Blizzard. And if anybody knows Blizzard, but it's a real high gaming company, right? And I actually want to maybe develop for them and do designs for them and market for them. But I had talked to somebody, and even at EA Games, I was looking for a list of what I need to accomplish. And here at DX, they actually allowed me to achieve that list so that I can actually get employment there. So definitely DX will help me in my future employment for sure, because I know I got my checklist marked off. So I'm excited. I can't wait, honestly.